Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 36 classes, edit and update select option for different table in Laravel 12. To send class in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related services +919941599815. Anytime contact 24/7 every day. I am available in your website is a work related issue, so please contact this number. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is my project. My project is already run. This is a successfully run, and inside this is a edit button is already previous video all implementation. Add edit all successfully or implementation. Please check this previous two video. Let's click this edit, but edit is not working. This is edit is not a URL is a implementation, means route is not implementation, but this implementation this video all. Let's first of all, this is my database name localhost php admin. This is a database name. Inside this is available class, and this class inside this list of row is available 1 to 6 and 6 row is available, and this is the list is a show. Let's this list is open. Resource view super admin class, and this is a list. Successfully this list is available. This list is available. Let's write down URL. This is a edit button. Is this edit button? Let's inside this is a remove. So edit button is remove and file 7. This is 100% is a not a show. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a not a show. Good working. Successfully chat and refresh this page. Again this is a show. Good working. Let's same URL is a copy, and inside this paste here, and this is the name is a edit dot this is a dot. Inside this is a first of all this is the database ID is inside this already pass, and this copy. Successfully working fine. Let's refresh this page, and this is ID is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the database ID. This database ID is available. Let's click this 6 number ID, click this edit. The successfully 3 number is available. Good working. Let's inside this again this is a 5 number is a edit. The successfully this 5 number. Let's same name is a copy. Route inside this web.php available. Inside this is a new implementation route get and paste here, and this is a ID. This ID is a paste here. Successfully working. Let's class controller class and same here. This is a edit. The same name copy and paste here edit. Save file. Successfully file is a save. Let's copy this name copy and class controller. Open this class controller app http controller, and this is a class controller. Inside this new function is a create public function paste here and $id. Let's echo $id is a pass here, $id pass and die. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is a 5 number is available. Good working. Let's click this 4 number is a edit. So this is a working fine. This is a edit. All good. Let's return view super admin, and this is a class, and this is a edit. Save file. Let's copy this name edit. Inside this is a super admin. Inside this is a class. Inside this new file is a create edit blade.php. Successfully create. And hello save file, and this is a button. Close this and refresh this page. Working fine. This is a hello. all good. Let's remove this name. And this is a first of all, this is a previous video is all implementation. Same name is this is a name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste here. Please check this previous video. This is a part is a second part. Then this is a data is a pass here $data. Save file, and this is a successful implementation. Add file is open. Control A, copy this file and close this inside this paste here. And refresh this page, 100% working, but this is a add functionality. Let's step by step. This is a all record is a show, but it's not a selected. And this is a math and Mohiti inside. This is a not a select. Let's implementation select. First of all, this is a step by step video is a editing. This is a class edit is a implementation edit, and this is the last is a update. Save file, this name is a edit, and this is the update is a set. Let's refresh this page, successful edit and update. Let's second is a this is a controller is a available. This is the same name open, and this same name copy. Inside this is a $data get record is equal to paste here and find id $id. Same, let's copy this name copy, and this is a close this. Copy and close this file, save, and inside this step by step all record is selected. Value is selected, but inside this get record is already passed here. $value id is equal to get record, and this is the subject id. Subject id same here, subject id, and the selected and save file. Let's refresh this page and working fine. This is successfully math is available. Second here same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. Successfully working, but value is the same, and this is the name is a teacher id. Save. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is a good. This is a time table is available. This same name get record value get record, and this is a start time. Same name is a end time. And name. Save file, and last is a same name is a room number. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is all good. This successfully set. Let's click this. Inside this is the English measure, and this is the all detail is available. Let's edit and working fine. This is a all record is a show. Let's step by step. Same name is a copy, and this is a all name is a implementation name is a teacher id. First name is a subject id. This is a name is available start time, end time, and this is the last is a room number. Please write down this step by step file, and this method is a post method, and this is the name is already available inside this available all name. Let's step by step submit, but open this is a and method is a post method. Let's route post method is a paste here, and this is the id class, and this is a update. Save file. Let's copy this name class, control open, inside this public function paste here, and this is a $id request and the same name is a copy. and paste here, successfully paste inside. This is a new is a not implement, only update record. So find $id save file. This video is a second video, first video is available. This is a first video is a place, first video is a show. This video 35 number part of the first hall. This is a class select option different, and this is the first video second. Inside this is a show after this video. This video is a part 2. This is a part 1 part. This is a yes 35 is a part 1. Second part is available. This is a part is a 2. Otherwise not your mind is a only difficult not working. This is a 2 part is a available. This is a first, this is a second. All good. Please write down this step by step, and this is all successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and any doubt so please contact this my official website error solution code. This is a we are help to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's refresh this page. As it is update, so not a sense. As it is a working fine, but update, this is a not a sense. This is date is a not sense, not a sense. This today is a 24. Let's record is a update. This is a time is a update. Let's update. This is a name is a math. This is a math, and this time is a set. This is a 3. This is a successfully. This is a this time is a implement. This is a room is a 1, and update successfully working. This is a successful time, room and successful date is update. Inside this database is 100% is a update. Let's refresh this page successfully. This is a update. All good. Let's same here. This is update. Let's update. The select is a mothami. This is a select and ujo, and inside this is a mehabol, and this is a date is a room is only 50, and this is a time is a select and update successfully. This is available. All good. 50. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is a working fine. Good. This is all successfully implementation 404. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt so please contact this my contact number is available, this number. Thank you.